Finding DevOps talent who can actually architect CI/CD pipelines, manage Kubernetes clusters, and keep production infrastructure stable is not easy. A lot of candidates know the buzzwords. Far fewer have real experience with Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, cloud platforms, observability, and release automation in live environments. That's where Core 1 comes in. We help companies hire DevOps engineers, SREs, platform engineers, cloud engineers, and DevSecOps talent who have done the work before. Our recruiters speak the language: AWS, Azure, GCP, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, observability, infrastructure as code, and modern cloud operations. And we vet every candidate for both technical depth and team fit before they ever reach your desk.
Core 1 brings a proven track record to DevOps hiring. 92% 12-month retention rate.
17-day average time to hire, 15+ years average recruiter experience, and typically first candidates in 3 to 5 business days. The market is still highly competitive for DevOps talent. Robert Half's 2026 salary data puts DevOps engineers at a starting salary range of about $118,000 to $173,750, with strong premiums for more experienced or specialized candidates. And hiring remains difficult, with Robert Half data cited by CIO showing only 35% of professionals actively searching and 90% of IT hiring managers facing talent shortages. That means companies can't afford slow hiring cycles, unclear role definitions, or recruiters who can't tell the difference between a Kubernetes-heavy platform engineer and someone who has only touched cloud tooling at a surface level. We staff across the full DevOps ecosystem, including DevOps engineers, site reliability engineers, platform engineers, cloud engineers across AWS, Azure, and GCP, cloud architects, infrastructure engineers, release engineers, DevSecOps engineers, CI/CD engineers, Kubernetes administrators, build and release managers, and MLOps engineers. We also screen for the tools and platforms your team actually uses. That includes cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Infrastructure as code tools like Terraform, Pulumi, CloudFormation, and Ansible. Containerization and orchestration technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, Helm, EKS, ECS, and AKS. CI/CD platforms like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Argo CD, Circle CI, and Azure DevOps. Plus observability tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, New Relic, ELK, and Splunk, along with scripting in Python, Bash, Go, PowerShell, and Ruby. Our process is simple. First, we define the role around your stack, your environment, and your real-world needs. Then we deliver a shortlist of pre-vetted DevOps professionals, matched to both the technical requirements and the team culture. And after placement, we stay involved to help ensure long-term success. Whether you need contract support for a cloud migration, contract to hire for a growing infrastructure team, direct hire for a long-term platform engineering function, or project-based help with Kubernetes or CI/CD transformation, we can support the model that fits.
If you need DevOps engineers who can actually ship, not just interview well, Core 1 is ready to help.
Reach out today to discuss your hiring goals, and we'll help you build the DevOps team your infrastructure depends on.